You can unmute yourself. It's time.
Oh, konnichiwa.
Oh,
Hello.
Kronii!
Oh,
Hello!
happy
Thank
birthday.
you! It's been a while.
Yeah, it really has.
Oh.
Like I saw your announcement for the 3D. I'm really
Yes.
excited to look at it.
Yes! I
It'll
hope
be
you'll be awake
amazing.
for it. It's kind of early and you already sound tired now.
I woke up just for you.
Oh, thank you! And you'll do the same thing again tomorrow, right?
Yeah, of course.
You want to choose a number between 1 and 6 for me?
Yes, 5. Or
5.
actually, no, 1.
1.
Because you're number 1.
Alright then, you have to tell me your favorite thing or things about 𝐊𝐤𝐬.
I really like how hardworking you are, and like you pump out a lot of projects and ideas, and like it's honestly kind of creative, and it's something to look up to for that.
Thank you!
And
Oh my god, you sound so wow. It's nice listening to your voice. Continue.
and